sneezing is infectious. It begins with a slight tingling feel and ends with a veritable burst of germs, reaching so far that other people can also be infected. Germ droplets spread generously, especially in dry air, and remain infectious for a long time. The situation is different with optimal humidity between 40 and 60%. Here, the germ droplets do not travel so far and infect only fewer people. An optimal indoor humidity is therefore an effective protection against infection.